Our next section in the Advanced Excel 2016 tutorials deals with the various functions when we are working with text. So basically these are text and string functions. If you want to have a look at the various text and string functions, there's a comprehensive list that is available. If you were to click on this FX over here, you'll find that you have various insert functions available, and select the text category over here and you'll be able to see that there are various text functions that are available, such as lower, mid, number value proper, replace, research, substitute, and many such functions are available when you want to work around with your text. In this video, what we're going to look at is the proper function, upper, lower, left, right, and mid. Okay, these are actually the most important and the frequently used ones, and hence I'm covering only these. In the next video, we look at the last other four, such as the find, clean, rep, and concatenate function. Let's start with the proper function. What does this do? Proper will help you convert your text which is not properly displayed or formatted into the correct fashion. For example, if you have a look at this name Karthik Mishra, you will observe that the first letter of his first name is not capital. Okay, it is not caps lock, so we have to make it capital. Also, you will find that the last name of this person is entirely upper. Okay, if you see, it is uppercase, and the first letter of the first word or the first name is lowercase. So basically what we want to do is make it proper in proper case. So what you need to do is just click is equal to, click on proper, select the text, close the bracket and hit enter, and you'll find that this text is now in proper fashion. We have the first letter of his first name represented as in the upper case, and Mishra, his surname or the last name, is also now correctly represented with only the first letter as uppercase and all other as lowercase. Okay, so this is how you can use the proper function. Then we have the upper function, wherein everything gets represented in the uppercase. So it is very simple to use these functions. You just need to select the cell and your work is done. Coming to the lowercase, I think you must have guessed it by now. This will convert all your text into lowercase order. You just need to select cell and your work is done. Coming to the next, which is left. This will help you find out a letter from the left hand side, as in how many characters you want to display. Let's do this and you'll be able to understand what I mean to say. This returns the specified number of characters from the start of a text string. You just need to click on it. It will ask you for the text. So select the text and it will ask you for the number characters. Okay. Let's say I select close and hit enter, and you'll be able to see that the first three letters of this word which we wanted from the left hand side are now selected. So now it has come into picture. Right is just the complete opposite. You need to click on right, open the bracket, select the text. It asks how many characters from the right. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want the word where, so I put in 5, close the bracket and hit enter. And now you can see that where is now there with us. Okay, so you just need to specify how many characters from the left or from the right you want to display, and the text and string function will do your work. Next is the mid. Mid will help you locate the text in the middle of the string. This is the entire string. So let's say from this word refrigerator, I want the word fridge, okay, which is somewhere in between of this entire word. So how do I get that word? Type in mid. This returns the characters from the middle of a string given a starting position and length. It will ask you for the text. It will ask you for the start number. The start number is character number 3, and number of characters, that would be 6, right? FRI DGE. Close the bracket and hit enter. And you'll be able to see that the word that you wanted is now in front of you. Right? So this is how you can use proper, upper, lower, left, right, mid to work around with your strings. In the next video, we're going to look at the other remaining text and string functions and one more example.